What's up, people? Me, I'm in Roblox. This is like a thing of This is a like simulator or a recreation of that game that Project Pokemon a PC right here. I really gotta just move back to so right here. Run the code. So we go box 2 and see how these did right. Anyways, right here, some stuff. Categories. Galga. And we're not gonna with this. We will be going on to a different game. My face cam is here, 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 and here. What do you guys think? Which one? I don't know why the lag is so big. Guess we might play this like Minecraft Pocket Edition. Yeah, it's going to be just a little tiny video of it. So let's just go play Pocket Edition. Huh. It's like, for me it's lagging, but I don't know if it will for you guys. For all 12 of you. I don't know.
Guess why, Georgia?
How does this work? So if I open my hand, it to you, it's not the moving. That's it. It should maybe. Oh, there's my sister. Hi.
Oh, I thought you didn't know you were recording. I thought you were just doing this.
What?
I thought you were just doing this.
No, it's like really slow. Like the lag is intense. Ugh. I think it looks better like on camera.
I thought you were more weird than me for a second.
You should put me in the same asylum. Be.
Part of me did that on purpose. Everyone shush.
So I have my phone right here. Dude, this one pops up a lot. Wait, so are we going swimming? Maybe, okay. Oh, okay, Minecraft is finally loading.
Oh, by the way, the regular version is not like that.
What do you mean? On video, it's not laggy.
The regular version isn't like
Look, like, how do you like that for water? If I go to like my videos,
it tastes good.
Look, if I go like, I think I made this in the same. No one cares. It didn't look like it had graphics at all. But you don't. Okay, that's all I have to say to you. Oh no, my skin. Oh. You can come sit next to me.
Did you make that skin?
No. Georgia, you can come sit next to me, like over here. Come on the other side, man. Okay, let's see here. How long have I been recording?
You're finished.
Okay. Sorry about that. Let me just put that back here. Okay. I'm not gonna name this world. It's gonna be everything's. Oh wait, whoa. Show coordinates, please. Activate sheets. And just do keep inventory. Oh, it's gonna take so long.
You've never played Sims.
Huh? I never what?
Played Tuba Simulator.
Tuber Simulator? What's that? YouTuber Simulator?
Tuber.
What's that?
It's a game.
What's Tuber Simulator? Come back here.
I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get my cuppos.
She calls cup of noodles cuppos.
Sometimes I do sign language too. Do you want to see it?
I can see my reflection. Yeah.
Cup of noodles.
Oh, I'm in. Woo. Oh yeah, not lagging. Really lagging. Yo, a village? What?
Is it a village?
I don't know. Yeah, I think so, but there's like an iron golem. I would probably. Oh, there we go. No lag. Oh, kind of lag. Oh. Ow. Ow. I died from fall damage. Don't ask me how I did that.
Keep the water up there. Don't spray hard.
I told you. What are you doing? Play.
Okay. Let me just move this here. I don't know how people do it. Let me just check on Epic Games Launcher. Nope. I need a gaming computer. No, just me. You can't use it. Never should have spent money. Okay, well, it looks like this is going to be the end of the video. I'm going to try and make another one of a gaming video. Oh! Did I say I'm not going to post it? Did I say that? Did I say that? Did I? Did I say that? Exactly. What did you say? I'm not mean. You think everyone is mean. Yes, you do. What? You have a problem?
Oh, I just saw you like this. Is that your outro or stuff?
No, it's not, dummy. So stupid. Fortnite, there's web of galaxies. Yeah, that's the end. Peace is goodbye for now. But you're down there. No. A goodbye for now. For now.